Let's see how to do a purchase in Billbox POS restaurant mode. Go to the menu purchase and then select your items. You can adjust quantity from here. Once items are finalized, you can do the payment by using these buttons. Before doing the payment, let me explain about these buttons. By using this button, you can tag this purchase against a supplier. If the supplier is there in the database, you can search by using this field. If the supplier is not there, then you can enter the supplier like this and then click save. And then you can tag it against purchase. This button can be used to put this purchase on hold. You can take the purchase bill back by using the Q button like this. By pressing this button, the purchase will be cancelled. If you did the purchase already and you want to feed that into our system, then you can enter the invoice number here, the actual invoice number here, and also you can select the time and date of that particular invoice purchase bill from here. Also you can select your warehouse from here. This button is used to delete a line. This can be used to edit a line. And these buttons can be used to get more information about the item. This is to print barcode label. This button can be used to upload items using Excel. If you have many items, then you can use this button. By pressing this button, it will download an Excel format, fill the Excel and then upload it. And the items will be automatically come here. This button can be used to search for an item and then that can be added against the purchase window. If you have a purchase order and if you want to convert that into purchase, then you can use this button. If you want to add any discount, you can use this button. Let's do the payment now and the purchase is done. Let's see purchase reports. These are the purchase reports available by default. You can see the print from here. Since I didn't select any printer, that's why it was not appearing here. You can edit purchase from here. Once changes are done, you can again press the payment. If you want to do refund, you can use this button. From here like this. This button will refund only one quantity. If I want to refund the complete line, then I can use this button. If I want to refund the whole purchase ticket, then I can use this button. This button can be used to print a receipt and this button can be used to print an invoice. I will show you some configuration with respect to the receipt and invoice print. Here under tab general, you can check receipt print if you want receipt print. If you want invoice print, you can check this box. Once configurations are finalized, click save and then restart the software. Under peripherals tab, you can select your receipt printer here. You can select your A4 printer here. That's all about purchase for now. I will see you in another video. Till then, bye bye.